Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We'll stay dry through the overnight hours. Those Sunday showers on tap for the morning through the midday hours. It does stay warm, though, behind that front. We'll warm up into the mid-70s next week. Here we go with our hour-by-hour forecast. Initially, those clouds will increase, and then the rain begins in our western suburbs in the morning after 8 a.m. Comes right through with that cold front into the early afternoon hours. A few lingering showers for Detroit, Mount Clemens, Port Huron into the midday hours. Areas to the west, though, will be drying out first. Temperatures tonight, we do stay mild, upper 50s, so near 60 degrees for a low, and then showers develop in the morning through midday. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll be in the low 70s on Monday. Look at those warm temperatures for the start of October, mid-70s. The next chance of rain on Friday into next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.